Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Albrecht Buick GMC of Wakefield, we have the 2023 GMC Canyon Denali. I was getting very nervous I wasn't going to be able to spotlight one of these early, and then I found out we have a GMC store in the dealer group I work for. So I took a trip down to come and see this thing. And it is actually, I completely forgot this, I have a window sticker, and it is a completely different truck from the previous gen. This thing, I'll be honest, I wasn't a big fan of the previous gen. This one's deep bronze metallic over jet black / teak. This is the 2.7 liter turbo high output, 8-speed automatic. Absolutely gorgeous truck. Stickered here for $55,550. Absolutely awesome. Look at this interior. I mean, talk about upgrades. Bose sound system, wood grain trim, cooled seats. I mean, just everything you would ever need. This thing has. I always said the Denalis of years past were great trucks. I always secretly thought the interiors were not up to par. Well, that's no longer the case. GMC, GM have all taken a huge step in the right direction. And now these trucks are very good places to be. You guys are wondering why I use that on-ramp so aggressively. That's really the only good chance to get full throttle acceleration. You guys might be sad about the demise of the V6, and you know what? I could kinda care less. I do love the 3.6. It's a great motor, but this motor is just a little bit better. The power delivery, everything, the power feel, everything about this I do like. Car is very, very comfortable to drive. The previous gen definitely beat you up over some longer journeys. I could sit in this thing for hours and absolutely love it. And Brian, he gave me a pretty good route recommendation. So I thank you, Brian. But assuming you're watching this, because this will be the first video of this partnership. Not partnership, but relationship, I should say. Because he's not paying me to make these videos, and I'm not asking him to pay me either. This is gorgeous. I think my next video is I'm going to start over here. You know, this truck isn't built for handling. However, it does the job decently. Am I going to take it on a track? No. But I'm not feeling like I'm going to topple this thing over. Now for $55,000, this is a pretty good price point for what you're getting. What a nice place to be. All the materials are nice. Heads-up display. How's kickdown? Not half bad. Now that we're pulling back onto the lot, I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.